fa kere Kofi ni yumi aka ere soundtrack. And we be so what you don't hear be movie ne soundtrack. And I was say you be crash movie boss or boy and proud of your movie. That's a human see another woman asana.
Kokona nena jina ni chanupono akroma legend.
Damasem you deep too. Akukwa enwa. Akukwa no ba nana. Jina ne nchani na akroma legend. Na we feel mama ne nchen. And to fancy ye enter the mass, but this is a deep talk.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem.
Yes, ebusia fumora kwaba hanom ye oye Paco Rich Studios. Enyima our friend DJ Paco Rich. Na in there ye busy Kofi ne ipe na honkomo. Kofi. Yes, if ye kuma Kofi na asam na yeriki na. Enyomo na ozaba na oye 7-track album. Men kana tata 4 hours and one tasi. But I shall no be hunde da minyumi oye do. Another da minyumi da mana o patre. Sabi. Kofi Kasama, when he have fancy ma wa chechim, we breaking it down, reaction ema, etuma atasi. Inti today, I'm going to take you on a journey. And your man is more 1-1, you bet chechim ya react. But one of the favorites, I see Siano, wa badan komo what time I work kan wasami antama. Na antama ni ye Kofi ne mame already my drop a video Kofi explain his story about the relationship ano nyana mame wo but obi o teach nsem bi o wan nwom ne mu na vibes bi no woman ononyim so it's up to me that maba church room na ya react to nwom no accordingly. And so I already a fear kuma takrade for Cape Coast for Ghana free na ra wo abrochi na zina wo ha no women yente Kofi na nwom no antama of fana ma me ho na say markaza nwumi wa ya obeyo wonwa maba wo friend Kofi na ma me wo friend ama inti I can connect to this song than any other person yente nwom na yanko Atinsem kuna oda nwumene mu na atinsem kuna oda nwumene mu ya bo from nwumene ya bobo wa haro oh yeah what is some bit agor that before I start this and one man for credit to be the producer of this song our friend Oti Wood Abrantian Abujuma wo Kofi ne album no papa chada wo kade obi Abujuma the guy has really worked. And but let me just take you through some of the lyrical contents of this song. Na yinti na yinzu hu komo yi. One say Kofi Abo. And this one tells the story of a typical Afrabara Swayezan. And if you're a mother, na yemfantinya, you can relate to some of them. Some are Kofi baking. Mostly, and I our boys are in where they will grow up as was an as a cacan woman cookers are grow a hand or pay on ba, Mompe chef, so I don't chef in Shiaze. Kofi, that's Sabanaba. Woman say,
Fear, wash a sham so with the Mwesi, my man tempting in the gate, Kofi Abo,
and I'm over from an pay our bantam. What Babana was the king, was our bay, was our shakresime soak watch and one.
Tama, Kofi Abo,
Kofi no mammy wa friend and Tama, Massimo mammy wa friend, I'm a diner.
Tama, or the Tokabo, Kofi.
Ata, Kofi patch and a double from a beautiful pay our water qua. Or didn't talk about the beef, but should be la ham on a buyer, what banner. There be a problem. But I'm not fucking a Kofi ni yumi aka ere soundtrack. And I will be so what you don't hear be movie in a soundtrack. And I will say you be a crash movie boss or boy and proud of your movie. And this is the original authentic Ghanaian sound. Hey, you guys are no matter one work cranism and show.
Kofi Menko, Sabashana Kofi.
Kofi man, so what should a Kofi there? I swear to 100%. Meaning say Kofi make you don't go there before you go to Kofi in a rich there already. Now Kofi na mama nkono what they do any host.
Go Kofi man go. Kofi wo.
Next time human see another woman asna.
Kokona nena jina ninchanu pono. Akroma legend.
Damasem you a deep too. Akukwa enwa. Akukwa na ba nana. Jina ninchanu pono akroma legend. Na we feel my man and chen. And to fancy ye enter the massimi, but this is a deep talk. Shade, let me explain it in a lighter language. I went some fans and I appreciate Kasani. Say we get chick. I could number of friend a chick. Now, if the chick in Kasani we day by the side of a mother, let's say the hen. You the see the hawk they descend from the sky, they come grab them. It be common sense. There are certain people that they have moved away from their parents, thinking that they are safe. But what's a Janisunsum and Nanusunsum or a different level? Sometimes the prayer of your parents keeps you going. That is the fact. And see, and see one jow, one na kebibi you know the lesson. You want to do what pleases you. A woman be but to found you wouldn't even know. But the spirits of your mom, Charlie, the prayer of a mother, Charlie. Kofi your man Tamedi or your spiritual music. Kofi you bebre. That is you see Kofi no man can send be Kofi you bebre and so say batan or was what shede no munimpo be zamanaba. So when your mom is late, your mom is no more. When the bon we say, and this is the vibe Kofi Kinaata they talk about. When I streaming your man. Sikantantam yon na wazi ye ejumazin na suban. Simple. There are a lot of people where they won't cash out quick without hard work. Without hard work, or then they won't cash out, they won't be successful. They don't want sacrifice, they don't want work hard, but they want sock soup. That be what Kofi they talk about. The man some na Kofi reckon. There, ejumazan na suban. Onena was a bobra.
Brapa Joula Kwan.
A brapa Jora Kwan. Confront man girl sort pon one more 20 was or brapa way or Jora Kwan. If you live a good life or a good legacy. Now you go show where you dey go. You go show your path. Obra power way Ojora Kwai. Catch a woman paying that message. Obra power way Ojora Kwai. Nigeria funa worship and what catch a woman paying there. Obra power way Ojora Kwai. What's so I got another catch a woman paying? Wow, what's up?
I Sukuli Kofi.
Sukuli, yeah. And I want my Mr. Squad. I look at one hand.
Yakusami yo Kofi. So I didn't yo Kofi.
Nyako sabara so didn't tibinu when do baby or said I would do.
Kofi. No that Kofi.
Hey, what friend up a tempo Afro beats. Now woman I get a schedule. I get a schedule soundtrack. Hey. Oh, the crew that bought you that way and you want to why dream a pew. Saka Sunday, you want to one. I know different vibes of fancy Kasebi. I Hunter Kasa. Yes, the Western region has got other languages you don't know. Yawanzima Kasa, you other way, you wasa. Now that mean you know what this swam I where you're so for Shanagana. And you papa you ma I say where my breathe space for instrument to roll.
Betty Benny and Madia. Betty Kala.
Have you noticed that some rhythms that you do not even understand the language? Sometimes it hits you so hard that you are eager to find out the meaning of that song. But I be share Kofi one-on-one or bet chair and I say beautiful song is still alive. When we still have the likes of Kofi Kinaata, but in the meantime, you will see her, and you want to full one a link in our description. But Mazanate, no fucker will playlist, and you want to watch YouTube, a Sansu audio mark, Apple, Spotify, Boom Play. Kofi, and penny giddy, and I download the full EP in an stream. And time a day and bada because Kofi Abwana Kranyuma, she can relate and understand and love it. You are from a parkour to the rich and time a reaction for Kofi Kinaata. If you haven't heard this music, this should be the best Mother's Day song. On Sunday, I'm rooting for this song to be played everywhere. Makabi Auntie song is one of the biggest Mother's Day song we ever have. If we really appreciate the song. Mother's Day or Ibe, no more would say Antama. Me want to see, but the next reaction about bro on the same Kofi EP or you my one. Subscribe to this channel. Now we'll be soon say and come there we day town. Yawaha Monstro.
I don't want peace. I want problem. Always.
You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yeah, how can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.